Ni hao, my amigos. My name is Luisa, and as some of you know, we're raising our children multilingual. Today, I'm starting to share with you the videos I'm making for my children so they learn their first words in the multiple languages we're teaching them at home. I hope you and your family find useful this video too.
Free. Completely free, like no money. Gratis. Farm animals.
Farm animals.
In English.
In English.
And before we start, subscribe to this channel if you want to learn new and useful words in multiple languages. And remember to download completely free this printable material that comes with this video, as well as the screen-free version of this recording at NIHAOMyAmigos.com.
Duck. Duck. Duck.
Duck.
Rooster. Rooster. Rooster.
Rooster.
Hen. Hen. Hen.
Hen.
Rabbit. Rabbit. Rabbit.
Rabbit.
Bull. Bull. Bull.
Bull.
Donkey. Donkey. Donkey.
Donkey.
Cow. Cow. Cow.
Cow. Pig. 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 Pig.
Sheep. Sheep. Sheep.
Sheep.
Horse. Horse. Horse.
Horse.
Turkey. Turkey. Turkey.
Turkey.
Goat. Goat. Goat.
Goat. Let's review and practice.
Rooster. Rooster.
Rooster.
Hen. Hen.
Hen.
Rabbit. Rabbit.
Rabbit.
Bull. Bull.
Bull.
Cow. Cow.
Cow.
Donkey. Donkey.
Donkey.
Turkey. Turkey.
Turkey. Pig. Pig. Pig.
Goat. Goat.
Goat.
Horse. Horse.
Horse.
Sheep. Sheep.
Sheep.
Duck. Duck.
Duck.
Good job!
Rooster. Hen. Rabbit. Cow. Bull. Donkey. Turkey.
Pig.
Sheep. Goat. Horse. Duck.
But what does ni hao my amigos mean?
Ni hao means hello in Chinese, and amigos means friends in Spanish.
So, ni hao, my amigos means hello, my friends, using 3 different languages. Can you say it?
Ni hao my amigos. Ni hao my amigos. Have you subscribed already?
¿Ya te suscribiste? Y recuerda darle me gusta a este video.
Give us a like, please.